Exercise 14. During a chess tournament, players compete during 5 rounds of play. There are 32 players competing during the first round of the tournament. At the end of each round, so 32 at the beginning. At the beginning. At the end of each round, half of the players competing will be eliminated. So we begin with 32. Then, since half of us will be eliminated, we end up to 16. Then again half, we end up to 8. Then again half to 4. Then to 2. And finally, we have our winner. So this is round 1, 2, 3, fourth, and final round here. If P players remain in the tournament after R rounds, which of the following gives P in terms of R? So we're clearly talking about a geometric sequence in where every single time, since half of us are being eliminated, we multiply by 1/2. So this means that it should obviously be A. P is 32 times 1/2 to the power of R. Let's confirm that. If we are on the first round, here R stands for the rounds. In my case, R was the ratio. So if we are on the first round, 32 times 1/2, it should have been 16. If we were on the second round, 32 times 1/2 squared, which is 32 times 1/4, would have been 8, and so on. Once again, the right answer for this question is A.